Hi, this is Jackson Institute of Technology's Digital Nuggets. In today's video, we are going to learn how to create a quick flyer like this. Let's begin. Okay, so to begin, search for Canva on your browser. Open your browser, search for Canva, then click on the first link, canva.com, that comes up. It will bring you to the home page of Canva. Then go to, so Canva is an online platform, meaning you have to have the internet if you want to use Canva. And with Canva, it gives you enormous templates for you to select from. So if you're depending on the flyer or the media that you are creating. So if you want a birthday flyer, if you want to create a business proposal presentation, you can use Canva to do that. If you want to create a flyer to market your products, okay? So for example, if we, in today's class or in today's video, if we want to create a graphic design flyer, so graphic design, we will search for graphic design. So graphic design, okay, so portfolio or training flyer or graphic design flyer, yes. Click on graphic design flyer and you should see a lot of flyers for you to choose from. Okay, now this looks good to me, so that's what I'm going to use. But something to point out here, if you see a template with this crown on top of it, meaning those templates are paid for, or you have to pay for them in order to use them. But today we are going to do a free version, no payment over here. So you click on it and then customize the template. So the template has been created for you. It already looks good. You just need to change a few texts here and there, okay, for you to use for your design, okay. I'm creating a flyer for my graphic design training program that is coming up. And that reminds me, okay, yes, I'm creating a flyer for my graphic design training that is coming up. So I will, instead of agency, I will change that to graphic design training. So double click on this text that you want to change and type in the new text. Or if you want to change these three, so let's say learn graphic design. So I want to change the position of these two. I can select it together as such, move it a bit, bring, you can press Ctrl Z to undo, move this one here, select this two, position it as such over here, and move the learn. Okay, so learn graphic design. So for our learn graphic design, we can do learn to use then Photoshop, to use Photoshop, Illustrator, our experienced tutors will get you started. That should be that. Yes. Our experience. I want to make this two here a bullet pointed text, so I'll apply the bullet point. And I also want to remove the space here. Okay, so as much as possible, we want to maintain the design that was already designed on the template for us. Okay, because they already look good. That's why we are looking for it. Yeah, so we can learn more. We can select all the objects here by clicking outside, and then outside with an empty space. If it's not empty, you're going to struggle. So I'll move it down a bit and then change this text to my real website. So www.jit.edu.gh. Great. Now, if I want to, I also want to add my phone number. So 059699 0 GH. Okay, enter. Then 059699 Okay, so now our design is ready. I want to change this one to a Jackson Institute of Technology's logo. So let me remove that. Come to uploads over here. Okay, I've already uploaded our logo, but if I wanted to do it from scratch, I'll go to upload files. Upload files and click on upload files as such. And we want to click on that and click on it and move it here. Then we can reduce this upload. we want to reduce this a bit. And move it. Okay. Replacing it with our with that template down there. Okay. As I mentioned, you want to give it the exact look you found it. Okay, so that's why I'm using the red squiggly lines as my gauge, right? So give it the exact look you found it. And we also want to, if you want to, you can change the pictures here. Okay, so if we want to, we can upload more pictures. Of, let's say, our actual students in class. Okay, let's use this. So some of our students after the completion of a program. So let's assume that's the picture we want to use. And you can click the picture to bring it onto your workspace. And afterwards, you can click the picture, move it to the circles which contains the pictures, and it will automatically place them in for you. Okay, so as you move it along, you see that it gives you a preview of it entering those pictures or those frames. Okay, so as you see the preview, if you want to leave it here, you release your mouse and you'll see it there. Okay, so let me undo because it doesn't look good. So I want to bring that here, right? Yes. Okay, so now I'm done. If you want, you could add another page and put more on there as well, but this is fine. So I'm going to go to share. Okay, so you can share with people, but I want to download it onto my computer and use it later on. So download, you can change the download size or the download type if you want to, but PNG is just fine, so I'll maintain it and click on download. Then it downloads onto my browser and I can open it on my computer. Click on the browser to open it. Yes, so that is how you create a quick flyer. Thank you for joining us in this session. Do you want more? Then join our graphic design class now. You will learn how to use Photoshop, Illustrator, and many more to create stunning flyers, social media posts, and professional brand graphics. Don't wait, register now. See you in our next session.